This is the TekXYZ Reflex Ball. The brand sent me a free one so I can check it out and create this video. I want to demonstrate how cool this ball is. Now, the first thing you're going to notice, it's very soft. And that's going to be important because you're going to strap this around your head using the Velcro here, and you're going to punch this ball. And like a tether ball, it's going to come back and you're going to keep trying to punch it. That's going to develop hand-eye coordination and really help a lot of skills. But the best part about this, in my opinion, is the fact that it's glow in the dark, and they give you this UV pen here. So you basically turn it on, it's got a UV light. Now I'm gonna cut out the lights and show how that works. Now this UV light is simply gonna work by flashing it onto the ball. And there you go, and now it's a light up ball. So it does also come with extra strings that are thicker in case they break. And they also come with this carrying case here. You can also download the app so you can compete with other people. I would definitely recommend this for anyone who wants to develop their hand-eye coordination or just play a fun competitive game.